welcome back to another episode of Drive with John Rover. Today we have something, well, saying it is special is an understatement. This is a 2021 Range Rover Sport SVR Carbon Edition. So what makes the Carbon Edition so special is going to be the excessive use of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber is everywhere. It's on the hood, it's on the side vents, it's on the grills, it's in the back, it's in the interior, it's literally everywhere on the car, and it looks fantastic. Now this one's MSRP is just over $139,000 and has a 5.0 liter V8, which is supercharged, of course, producing 575 horsepower, sending the car from 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds with a top speed of 176 miles per hour. So the color on this car actually costs an extra $1,500. This is called Astoral Blue, and in my opinion, it looks great. It's one of the best looking colors for an SVR, especially with that black top and those black wheels, and of course, those red brake calipers. All right, guys, so welcome to the interior on the 2021 Range Rover Sport SVR Carbon Edition. So being a Carbon Edition, of course, there is no shortage of carbon fiber in the interior. I mean, everywhere you look, there's carbon fiber. Oh, a little cool tidbit right here on the door sills. There, it's lit up here to let everybody know this is an SVR Carbon Edition. Very cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and start it up. All right, very cool. So of course, this has a lot of packages on it, one of which being the drive package, which gives you high-speed emergency braking and adaptive cruise control, which is always great. This is also equipped with the heads-up display, which tells you your speed limit, as well as how fast you're going. And of course, when you put it into dynamic mode, it tells you your revs. Also, when you put it into dynamic mode, something really nice happens. The exhaust valves open, which is always a good thing. So anyway, let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Oh, also, I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching. My last video got around 5,000 views, which is kind of crazy considering I just started doing this. So let's get to 100 subscribers with this video. That'll be great. Put my foot on. Oh, let's go, baby! If this little Suzuki will get out of my way here. Holy crap! That F-150 just burned rubber. Guys, there's a police officer up there, and it looks like he's turning right. So hopefully he doesn't see me, because I'm about to put my foot down a little bit. These brakes are good. Good brakes. Wow. Oh yeah, love it. All right, cool, we got another straightaway, guys. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That never gets old. It just doesn't get old. Every time your face just lights up with a smile, you can't help it. If I could have one car, just one car, it's this. No ifs, ands, and buts. Am I saying that right? Ifs, ands, and buts of it? No, I'm not saying that. And guys, please be sure to like and subscribe. I know every YouTuber says that, and I'm sick of hearing it myself, but I don't know how else to say it. The more views I get, the more likes I get, the more I can convince my bosses to let me out and drive these cars, because I don't have a lot of leverage right now. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps me out. It gives me more leverage to, tell my boss, hey, I'm going to take out some cool cars. Because it was a little difficult trying to convince my boss to let me drive this SVR, being that it's 140 grand. So the more followers I get, the more interest there is in my channel, the better cars that I can show you guys. So please, and thank you. Also, be sure to check me out on Instagram at John Rover. That's JON.Rover. I'll post pictures and videos of cars, and if you guys want me to make videos on YouTube, just hit me in the comments, either on YouTube or Instagram, and then I will make a car video for you guys. So, and until next time, guys, I'm John. Thank you for watching.